Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. Welcome back to another video. So this video is an important one because I want to share with you how small creators like you and I are building digital product empires on the internet. So if you are looking to make some money online, have some financial freedom, and you want to create a digital product business, this video is all you need. Now, the number one mistake that I see people make is to think that you need a large following on YouTube or any other social media for that matter in order to build a business online. But that could not be further from the truth, because I am a testament to the fact that you don't need such. This channel, like you're watching right now, is at about 2,800 subscribers. And the first time I ever monetized the channel was when I had about 600 subscribers. And that month that I had 600 subscribers, I made over $1,000 from this channel just by doing the simple things I'm about to share with you in this video. And I've not only done it once, I've done it twice on my second channel, where I monetized my channel to over $2,000 a month by just having about 500 subscribers. So all of this is what I'm going to be talking about in this video. So how do you even build a digital empire on the internet today? The number one thing you need to do is to identify a need. Now, this could be a need that you have yourself or a need that you think that other people have. Now, if you want to identify a need, think about the problems that you want solved. Think about the things that drives you crazy on a day-to-day basis. That is where you need to start. If you can start solving that problem that you have and sharing the solution with other people, then you are onto something. Then you might want to solve other problems that people have as well. For example, the main reason why I started this YouTube channel is because I want to be able to teach people how to have financial freedom. I quit my job about over 3 years ago to this day, and I haven't had a 9 to 5 since then. I haven't been working in the office. I haven't done any of those things that people dread so much, and I've just been only focused on creating content on the internet and doing things that I enjoy every single day. So you want to solve your own problems or solve problems for other people. Now, the next thing you want to do is to document the solution to this problem. As you identify this problem and you solve those problems, you want to start documenting it. You want to start bringing people along with you in the solutions that you find. You want to find more than one way to solve the same problem, and you want to have a proper documentation of it. The ways through which you can document is what I'm doing right now. I'm documenting a way that I'm able to build my digital product empire by sharing it on YouTube. You can do the same by tweeting about it, or by writing about it on Medium, or by starting a podcast about it. Whatever medium that you feel most comfortable is where you should be documenting your solution. And the third thing you want to do is to keep adding value to people. The documentation that you're documenting, it's not for nothing. You are adding value to other people, either by giving them practical solutions or by bringing them with you along on your journey, so that they have someone to relate to, so that they're not alone on their own journey. And that is how you add value to people. And in adding value to people, you don't want to hold back, because people think that holding back is the way to get others to come to them. But in reality, holding back and sharing freely demonstrates your own competence, and by demonstrating your own competence, people are attracted to you, they're gravitated to you, they want to learn more about the things you do, they want you to teach them. So don't hold back, because you think that by exposing all your little secrets, people are going to want to learn more. But it does the opposite of that. It's like an irony, right? You want to do something, but you end up doing the opposite of it. So you want to give as freely as possible. On this channel, you'll find videos from 2 years ago where I've been talking about the same things. I've been learning and sharing everything that I learned on this channel, and as a result of that, I've been able to build an audience, and I've been able to build a following through it. So the fourth thing that you want to do, number 4, is to create a freebie to gauge interest. So now that you identify the need, you solve your own problems, or you help other people solve the problems, you documented it. Now you start building the community. It is time to take it to the next level, to create the business component of what I'm discussing right now. You want to create a freebie to gauge people's interest. Now, a freebie can be in terms of a digital product, a digital downloadable. It could be an ebook, it could be a free video, it could be just about anything that adds value to people that you can give away for free, and not necessarily taking you a lot of time to create. The reason why you create freebie is twofold. One, you want to start building your audience. Building an audience meaning you want to start creating an email list that you can then market to over and over again. And number 2, A freebie allows you to be able to gauge your audience's interest. That allows you to know exactly what problems they want to solve. In my own case, I created about 4 or 5 freebies before I landed on one, and that one kept becoming the one that people came to over and over again. I looked at my email list over the course of 1 month, for example, and it is that one freebie that's getting people to opt into my email list most often. So that tells me one thing, that it is that one problem, that one thing in the freebie that I try to solve in that freebie is what I should be solving for going forward. So without having a freebie, I would just have guessed, what people liked, and I would maybe create a product that people don't want. But by having a freebie, you are able to gauge people's interest and be able to know exactly what problem they need solved. The next one is to create a digital product based on the problem that you have identified. So now that you've created a freebie, you know exactly what problem you want people solved. It's time to create a digital product based on that freebie. If you're a beginner, the best way, the quickest way to get a win is by offering your time for money. So let's say you want to offer like a consulting session. When I first started, I started offering my time for money. I would charge people about $40 an hour in order to have a 1-hour consultation with me. But the problem with that is that it is not sustainable. You're going on consulting calls with people talking about the same things over and over again. If you have 5, 6, 7, 8 session book in a day, which was my case at the time, you quickly realize that you burn out very fast and it is not sustainable. You're getting yourself in that same thing, the very thing that you're trying to get away from. The life of financial and time freedom you're trying to create for yourself is not conducive when you are doing a consulting session. Another one you can do is to create a membership, for example, and offer your solution in a group setting. In fact, I'm a big fan of this because what membership does is that information that you're sharing with people one per time, you're able to bring everyone into one community and offer that information in a group setting in a more tight-knit community. So that way you're not stressing yourself, you're not extending yourself too far, and you're able to help people in a large group all at once. So memberships are really great. And another upside of membership is that you're able to create a recurring monthly income. So it's predictable and you know exactly what is coming to you at the end of the month. So this could be the first thing that you create. And the next you want to create, maybe another thing that you can create that's pretty easy, is create a detailed product. Could be an ebook, for example. Create an ebook with ChatGPT last year, and that ebook is really, really great. So I have a whole set of training now to create your ebook with ChatGPT. I'll leave the link down here in the cards. I'm not sure if it's here or here. Or you can go watch that video and how to create your ebook using ChatGPT, and you can create something really good that people are able to buy. You just need to put a lot of thought into the subject idea and to be able to develop it into something that is worthy to be paid for. So you can create an ebook and you can start selling it using a platform like Mainstack. Mainstack is a simple tool that allows you to create very seamless, beautiful sales pages without having to have any knowledge or expertise whatsoever. I made a video now to use Mainstack to sell digital products. You can go find it in the cards right here as well. And so if you are just getting started, this is the best way to start making some money. And the good thing about selling digital products like ebook, for example, is that it's a low barrier to entry and you can easily create something that you can start selling right away. So go check out Mainstack. That's how you can create your pages to sell digital products and downloadables, and you can sell pretty much anything, not just limited to ebooks or downloadables. You can sell webinars, bookings, invoicing, pretty much anything that is digital you can sell on Mainstack. So now that you've created this digital product, you've started building an audience, it's time to start selling to them. And the way to keep doing that is by putting yourself out there, by creating content online, by driving consistent traffic. It could be organic, it could be paid. I talk about this extensively in my videos. You can go check them out. But this is the way to build an online business empire, the product empire, if you're just starting online. So now you want to take it further. You want to double down on what works and keep offering value so you can keep your business model and you can go big. So this is your entire business model that I've highlighted for you, and if you go exactly the way that I've highlighted it, you will be seeing some success for sure. So if you want to learn how I do this, how I'm able able to go from nothing practically to creating an online business by driving organic, consistent, and valuable content online, by creating content online, building something out of it. You can join my free school community. It's where I'm able to join you personally, be able to teach you stuff using interactive videos like this and trainings that you can learn from. It's completely free for now, but you can upgrade to the paid membership when it becomes available. But you can take advantage of all of the free resources that I have for you, or that I will be providing for you in the future. Anyways, check out the link in the description down below. It's going to be the first one down there, and I hope that you join me. I hope that I see you in there, and I hope that this video has been helpful to you. Again, my name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.